ready now? Let's do it. Yeah. It's showing time. Show time, ladies and gentlemen.
I think we should do some listening, like about some Roman numbers and then some histories. That's all we're gonna talk about.
Yeah, okay.
Like, where's the homework of the A plus one?
A plus one?
Yes.
I think it's downstairs, right?
Yes.
So first of all, let us finish the flyer test. Can you pause any other activities and focus on flyer test, please? Take out a textbook for me, please.
Today we're gonna do text 2 because text 1 is already happened because we can learn that. So we're gonna use flyer 2 instead. Because flyers 1 have a problem because it's a few listenings, but it's have many more listenings so we can learn them. So we're gonna go to flyers 2.
Okay, flyer 2, ladies and gentlemen. So who's gonna do the intro for today's section?
You.
You, okay. Listen up, boys and girls. Today's Daniel Richie we're going to do the flyer 2.
Today, whoever talks the intro gets that channel.
Get a channel?
If who once makes the intro, is that person's channel.
Okay, so this is my turn, so it's gonna be my channel, okay? Because I'm doing the intro, right? Is discussed. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. Okay. First of all, let me introduce. This is like the flyer test. Flyer 2. You can see the cover of it. Here's on the top left, you can see Cambridge University Press and Cambridge English Language Assessment. Okay. Flyer 2's authentic examination papers. Okay. This is see the camel that wearing the shirt number 2. This is playing football right now, man. Just like messing right now. This is crazy. Okay.
That's number 8, man.
Get started.
Messi should be number 8 or number 9.
Okay, go. So this is part 1, listening test number 1. This has 5 questions, ladies and gentlemen. And listen and draw lines. There's one example. Okay. Now Richie, let's get started. Where's your pen? Where's your pen?
Here, man.
Okay, let's do this. I'll open the track right now. Let's get started. Okay.
Questions?
Cambridge English Flyers 2.
I think they
Published
changed
by
the
Cambridge
language.
University Press
Because
and
I changed
Cambridge
the language.
English Language Assessment 2018. This recording is copyright.
It's copyright.
CD1. Test 1. Hello. This is the Cambridge English Flyers listening test.
Don't open too long. Don't open too loud.
Okay, so this 75% is acceptable. Okay, let's listen. The first one is an example, right?
There's one example. We already knew it. They always trick us.
Yeah,
These
always
flyers.
remember. Is it a trick? Be careful.
When this music going to end?
No, just wait. It's something.
Not yet.
Come on. I like dismiss it. Wanna hear more, man?
No.
Oh, it's just come on. It's going. It's happening, right?
Part 1.
Part 1.
Listen and look. There is one example.
Focused.
What's this photo?
Oh, it's my family at the airport. When we arrived back from our holiday, we were waiting for our bags.
Who's that boy with the curly hair?
What color
The
hair?
one with his hands in his pockets?
Yes.
Is this one?
That's William.
Curly hair.
He's my sister's oldest boy.
William. Okay. Yeah, this is
Can you see the line?
Okay, I can see
This
it.
is an example.
Next one's your
Now
turn.
you listen and draw lines.
Is that you in the long jacket, Helen?
Yes, it is.
Wrong check.
What were you doing?
Well, you know you can't use your phone on a plane. I was just turning mine on again after the journey.
Oh, I see.
This this Helen?
You sure?
Yes. We talk about the
And
long
where's
jacket.
your husband?
Fast.
Robert? He's the person with the backpack.
Where?
Back.
He's got a beard.
Yes. For the first time.
He looks good with one.
Thanks.
He looks good with this one. We talk about this one
Why? Why is this name?
because he's happy.
That looks like a
It's
heavy
a
suitcase.
backpack.
Is
This
that
is a backpack.
the one with the penguin on it?
No, the one that the man has just dropped on the floor.
Drop on the
Oh,
floor.
This
yes.
one, they drop the suitcase.
That's my brother Michael. He
Wait.
bought a lot of CDs on his holiday,
You think
and
this one?
then he couldn't carry them.
Oh dear.
You think this one? Because it's too heavy for me. So it should be this one.
Is
smaller.
that person in sunglasses in your family?
The man at the back of the picture? Yes. That's my younger brother.
Is his name David?
Yes, that's right.
Why it's too
He was
far?
waiting for
Why
his
don't you
bag.
cute? Right here.
I don't
We're
need
calling
it.
a line. Just mean a straight line.
I don't
You're
need
not a
it.
line. It's like a.
That's boring.
Yes, it was.
Where's your daughter, Holly? Is she the girl who's hiding behind the suitcase?
No. I don't know that girl.
So, is she the girl who's speaking to that boy?
Yes.
Ah, that's
And
what it's
she's brushing her hair.
Exactly.
She
An
wanted
asshole?
to look beautiful for the photo,
You gotta be
but
fast.
it was too late.
To move to the next one.
The next one is your turn, not my turn.
Now listen to part 1 again.
Oh, it's already done.
I want super fast.
Is that you in the long jacket, Helen?
Long
yes,
jacket.
it is.
Okay,
Yes,
hang on.
it
What were
is.
you
Yes.
doing?
What are you doing?
Well, you know you can't use your phone on a plane.
Cannot use a phone.
But
It's
I
just-
she-
was just turning
Wait,
mine
wait,
on
wait, let
again
me pause a
after
little
the
bit.
journey.
She turned it off.
Once when you can't use your phone in a plane, right?
Mm.
But you need to use your phone after the journey begins because you have
After
some.
the journey
like,
ended.
After the journey begins, before the journey begins, you need to like take something a little bit and then
Yeah, yeah.
go and went to the plane
Yeah,
with,
yeah.
with your kids.
Yeah, before I get onto the plane, you have to turn it off. Okay.
Like on the airplane, I can't use my dad's phone because it's not allowed.
Yeah.
Because it's like move like this and then
Yeah.
this.
Okay, next one.
Oh, I see. And where's your husband?
Your husband,
Robert,
Robert.
he's the person with the backpack.
The backpack is the key
Got
words.
a beard.
He always
Yes.
uses back. Wait.
For the first time.
He used his backpack instead of suitcases
Yes, that's right.
because he like to make a lot of stuff in there to his kids or something.
Maybe he
Maybe he want to make.
maybe he
the
took the
fishing-
suitcase for his kid because it's kind of heavy. He wanted to have his kid, all right? So he take the backpack.
So you take the backpack and put some many stuff in there.
Yeah,
He
sure.
looks good with one.
Thanks.
Good with what?
Good with one.
Good one. What does one mean? One is mean the beard.
They talk
beard.
about the beard.
Yeah, the two
Like,
men with the beard, but this one is
They
good.
talk about the feelings of that he's good
Yeah.
once he has the beard.
Yes, this good one is a good beard. Yeah.
Good beard, not a bad beard like this, like this,
That
like this
looks like
man.
a heavy
This guy also
suitcase.
handsome, okay?
I don't think so.
Do you mean the one with the penguin on it?
Penguin. Penguin
The
is
one
No.
that the man has just dropped on the floor.
Oh, yes.
Mm,
That's
man,
my
drop on the
brother
floor.
Michael.
Wait,
Bought
let
a
me
lot of CDs on his holiday, and then
You wanna pause or what?
Wait, his name is Michael. Is like Michael English?
Oh, not that guys.
Maybe
It's just the same name with different guys.
just the same name.
Yeah. Just like Phúc Nguyên and as actually has a street name is Fuquing. Also,
Couldn't carry them.
But
Oh,
we
dear.
is fine, man.
yeah. Why? Want to turn it down a
Is
little
that person in sunglasses in your family?
The man at the back of the picture?
The David.
Yes. That's my younger brother.
bit? Younger brother.
Is his name David?
Yes, that's right.
Because he can remember his
He was
son.
waiting for his bag.
Is waiting for his bag.
It was the last one to come off the plane.
That's
The last one
boring.
come up.
Yes, it was.
It's is boring. Like you can do.
Really?
Where's your daughter, Holly? Is she the girl who's hiding behind the suitcase?
No.
No,
Chickens.
I don't know that girl.
So, is she the girl who's speaking to that boy?
Wait.
Yes.
Let
Yeah.
me pause a little bit. This is not talking. They just happy and have fun. When she has she hasn't come right, and then brush her hair and then make the selfie. Like, is it good to the boy? And then he rate her hair 1 to 10. So
Is it really? Is that what you think?
Yes.
I think I kind of have a little bit of chat. The chatting, right? The word chatting.
She's brushing her hair.
Brushing her hair.
She
That's
wanted
the last
to
one.
look beautiful for the photo, but it was too late.
She wanted to be like beautiful on the photo, but it's too late.
That is the end of part 1.
Okay.
Now it's track 2.
Okay. Track 2. Okay, guys. We move to the next one. The part 2.
I'm gonna do part 3 too. Before you gonna do part 2 and part 3.
2.
I gotta do part 3
Look.
because we're gonna
There is
do
one example.
2 homeworks, each one of them.
Part 3.
You're gonna do part 2 and part
Ah.
4.
And look. There is one example.
Talk about the animals.
The children in Mr. White's
Wait,
class
I have this
have
one.
just
Like, if you wanna talk about something, like George, he choose an H is a camel and then write his name. Okay.
Okay.
finished an art
You know how to
project
do it, right?
about their favorite creatures.
Favorite
Which
creature.
creature did each child
Creature.
draw? Your classroom looks fantastic, Mr. White. Who did all these beautiful drawings?
They're good, aren't they? The children did a project on their favourite creatures.
Who drew
Creature.
the camel?
Oh, that was George.
Who did
He
the camel?
visited an animal park with his family last weekend, and he had a ride on one. They're very ugly animals, but he thought it was great.
Okay.
Can you see the letter H?
H.
Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
Write a letter in each
Look
box.
at all the different colours in this beetle. It's really good.
Yes, the boy who did that is a really clever artist.
What's his name?
It's Richard. He collects insects and studies them, so he knows a lot about them.
Excellent.
Which one? What did
Talk
you?
about the insects.
Yeah.
It should be this one. It's the E one. It's always that's an insect.
Yeah. Who?
Richard. We talk about Richard.
So why don't you like write a letter inside of the box? Okay. Move to the next one. You don't have to do this because this Richard's letter E already.
You
No.
need to write the name and then copy it.
Richard E. Richard E. The same.
No,
Why you do the same thing twice? Doesn't make sense.
Because if we do something, they always trick us. So
Right.
it should be write the name
All right.
of
Next.
that picture.
I can see that some of the other children like things that fly.
Yes, that's right. One girl's family keeps birds at home.
Really?
Yes,
Is it-
her name's Daisy.
Easy.
What did she draw?
Well, before she started, she wanted to do a parrot. But then she saw a TV program about an eagle, and she decided to do one of those instead.
One of those.
What do you think?
I don't know. Maybe
Hmm.
maybe it's a parrot. Why an eagle? Maybe she watched a program, a TV program, and saw an eagle.
Listen again. Be careful. It's tricky.
Before she started, she wanted to do a parrot.
Children like things that fly.
Yes, that's right. One girl's family keeps birds at home.
Really?
Yes, her name's Daisy.
What did she draw?
Well, before she started, she wanted to do a parrot. But then she saw a TV program about an eagle, and she decided to do one of those instead.
Understood. First one, she wanted to do.
I know. Is it the B one?
Yeah, it's like.
Because she has a parrot at home, right? And then she and drove it, but she gonna go watch the TV a little bit and saw an eagle on the TV, and then she liked it, and she decides to draw one of them because she think in her mind, but not yet. So it should be the letter B one.
So you just should make your decision. You don't.
I think maybe it's an F or an B. Maybe it's B. B always better.
Yeah.
B is better. B is brilliant.
Okay, take it. Next.
And sea creatures are popular with your class too. Who drew the dolphin? Was it the boy called John?
Well, he did draw something in the sea, but he prefers dangerous animals.
So, is that his shark?
Yes, it looks quite frightening with
It's
all
tricky.
those teeth, doesn't it?
You try to,
Wait.
You
Let me
try to
pause
trick
you.
us.
They have two ocean animals, right? But he draws something a little bit scary. Then finally it was the shark. It's scarier than the dolphin. Because of his teeth, he can eat any fish he wants.
So obviously the shark is more dangerous, right?
There's another dangerous animal here.
Where?
Do you mean the dinosaur?
No, actually, I meant the polar bear.
Oh, yes.
It's not
They
scary.
look furry and nice, but they can be horrible. A girl called Emma drew that.
Wait,
She wants...
I gotta tell you how it's neat, okay? They hate this animal is seals. Once they get trapped in the ice, they saw seals is poking out, and then she fights with the seals.
Yeah.
And then finally she can like swim anything and then back to the life of Antarctica. So that's why she beat the seals and then go back to his home.
What are you talking about?
I talk about the polar bears, that how they are dangerous.
Oh, so you mean like it's a different story from testing, right? It's a different story. You watch somewhere else, right?
I knew that polar bears can defeat seals.
Okay, that's true. That's true.
to go and explore cold countries in the future. So she chose that animal.
So, who did draw the dinosaur? It's very good.
Yes, it is. That was Sarah. She's really interested in animals that are extinct. So she chose to
Extinct.
do that one. They're quite
Do why
difficult
is
to draw,
extinct?
but she did
Let
it.
me tell you.
Okay, explain to everyone why dinosaur is distinct.
Because in 450 million years ago to 230 million years ago, when there's a new supercontinent Pangea, and then 65 million years later, an asteroid named Chicxulub hits to the Earth and make the extinction of the dinosaurs. One is about 65 million years ago.
So how do you know that?
I watched the histories.
Okay, move to
I
the
know
next.
it's no histories. And I said that when it was like 2 months ago.
Really well.
Maybe it's like 2
Yeah,
years.
she did.
Okay, listen
But
again.
all the children's drawings are great.
Thanks.
One of us
Oh,
Now
she's
listen
waiting.
to part 3 again.
one of us were trickies.
Look at all the different colours in this beetle. It's really good.
Yes, the boy who did that is a really clever artist.
What's his name?
Wait, I
It's
gotta tell you
Richard.
this one.
He collected.
If we done this one, part 1 and part 3, I gonna do my homework and other homeworks when I don't know. And then if you done part 2 and part 4, and then you're gonna teach me how to do the other homeworks.
Yeah, sure.
Collects insects and studies them, so he knows a lot about them.
Excellent.
Excellent.
So insect, this is the key word, right?
I can see that some of the other children like things that fly.
Yes, that's right. One girl's family keeps birds at home.
So,
Really?
Yes.
so look, there's the only 2 things that can fly. One is the parrot. This one is the eagle. 2 of them. So listen carefully.
Her name's Daisy.
What did she draw?
Well, before she started, she wanted to do a parrot.
So wanted
But
to
then
do
she
a
saw
parrot.
a TV program about an eagle, and she decided to do one of those instead.
Experience.
And sea creatures are popular with your class too. Who drew the dolphin?
If I want to do my homework, I want to listen to Kevin, guys.
Yeah, sure. But
Because
after one finish on those stuff, we finish the test and we move to the next one. Okay. So, not yet. We still have
that's part 2 and part 4. That's your homework.
a recording. We have to finish the game, right?
It's your
Finish the
turn.
test.
Next one. Your
Okay.
turn is the next one.
Okay, you mean like track number 4,
You watch anything.
number 2?
Number 2 and number
Part 2.
4. That's your turn.
Listen and look.
Can you give me
Here's
some
one
advice?
example.
Here's the pen. I'm gonna watch myself.
Or-
I'm so
But you should help me on this. Maybe I don't know how
My
to do
class
this.
is going to visit a castle
You
next
never
week.
help me.
Wow. What day are
listen.
you going to go?
Please help me on
Kate?
this.
I'm
on.
listening. I'm listening.
Hey, you have to tell me about it.
Just destroy me. I don't want to focus on one thing only. You.
Now
How can you
listen.
open the audio? How can I? This one.
It's more sound than this one.
There's a lot of sounds that can give me distraction. I cannot focus. I cannot do the task. With other side, I just want to focus on one track only. Okay? Can you
I
help me
wanna
on this?
listen.
What can you help me on this? If you don't want to do it, just sit here silently. Okay? Don't do anything before I finish the test. Okay?
And right.
What's the name of this castle?
It's called Howard Castle.
What?
How do you...
Where you
What?
going?
I take the math was homework.
Okay. Go downstairs. Take it.
you spell that?
I've got it on this piece of paper. It's Howard.
I know. It's about 30 kilometers from here. And what are you going to do there?
I'm going to learn about the people who lived there 650 years ago.
How are you going to do that?
Well, first we're going to watch a film about them. It's called Brave and...
Scary?
No, Dad. It's called Brave and Strong.
And what else are you going to do?
Well, they've got some clothes there, and we can dress up in them.
So, do you want to wear a queen's crown?
No, I really want to try a helmet. I think they were heavy.
Well, that sounds brilliant. Are you going to go there on a bus?
Yes, we have to meet at the car park.
The one at school?
No, some men are working there at the moment, so we're going to meet in the one at the fire station.
Okay, that's good.
What is
Now
that?
listen to part 2 again.
What's the name of this castle?
It's called Howard Castle.
How do you spell that?
I've got it on this piece of paper. It's Howard.
I know. It's about 30 kilometers from here. And what are you going to do there?
We're going to learn about the people who lived there 650 years ago.
How are you going to do that?
Well, first
what
easy.
else?
So you want to get like electric
Well,
globe
they've got some
as a
clothes
present
there.
for you? You have to
And
do
we
the
can dress
homework,
up in
man.
them.
Do your
So, do you want to wear a
You always do
queen's
one part.
crown?
I will help you in the
No.
other one.
I really want
After
to try
I've
a
done this
helmet.
homework,
I think they were
I want it
heavy.
done it
Well,
right.
that
I want it done
sounds
it fast.
brilliant. Are you going to go there on a bus?
I want it done
Yes.
it fast.
We have to meet at the car park.
The one at school?
Equals 20.
No,
we not
Some
finish
men are
the
working
test
there
and then you do the math.
so we're going to.
Are you kidding me? You focus on one thing only, and one thing is done, you move to the next one. Don't do the same task at the same times.
Why you don't listen again?
You should do this. It's not me. I'm old. I don't need to learn, but you are the one
But
need to
that's
learn.
the challenge, not.
And not a challenge. I don't want a challenge. Okay, you do the next one for me, please. It's the one you saw like a scaleless. Get to number 4. It's your homework. I buy this for you to do the homework, not me. I'm old. Okay, move to track 4.
Part 4. Listen and look. There is one example. How are Charlie and his mum going to get to the city? Charlie, we're going to go to the city tomorrow.
How are we going to get there? In a taxi like last time?
Well, your dad could give us a ride in the car, but I prefer to go on the train.
Great. I like doing that.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Where are they going to go first?
Where are we going to go?
Well, your sister wants me to get something from her school for her, but I think we should go to the bank first.
Then are we going to go shopping?
Yes, I need some things from the market. 2. What is Mum going to buy?
Are you going to buy some more delicious strawberries?
I've already got some,
Great.
but I need some flour. I'm going to make some cookies.
Hooray.
3. What are they going to have for lunch?
Can we go to the pizza restaurant for lunch?
I think that's too expensive. So I'm making these sandwiches. We can eat them in the park.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry. I've got some chocolate cakes. And you can eat them on the journey if you're hungry.
Thanks, Mom. You're fantastic.
Okay, next one.
4. Where are they going to go in the evening?
What time are we going to come home?
Well, I've got another surprise for you. We're going to go somewhere special in the evening.
What? To the movie theater?
No, this is outside. There's a fun fair in town, so we can go to that.
Like when we went to the circus last year?
That's right.
Fair.
5.
With a circus.
Who is going to meet Mum and Charlie in the evening?
Are we going to go there alone?
No, we're going to meet your Aunt Vicky.
And Uncle Peter?
He can't come, but Grandpa can.
That sounds like a cool day out, Mom.
Now listen to part 4 again.
Review the answers.
1.
When they said where they're going to go first, they want to go to the bank first to make some money, and then they go shopping.
To take some money. To
They
take
take some money because the money's run out.
Mhm.
So
So-
she
because
gonna
they're running out of money, right?
and then she gonna went shopping next because she have enough money now.
Mm-hmm.
And then the two, what is mom going to buy? And she said she want to buy strawberries, but he's already at home.
That's
And then
right.
she gonna buy flour to make cookies for us.
That's exactly right. You're right.
What they going have for lunch? They talk about is if we gonna go to the pizza store, but mom says too expensive. But
Mhm.
mom have made a lot of sandwiches.
Yeah.
You can eat it at the park. But mom have delicious chocolate cupcakes too when you're hungry.
Okay. That makes
At a
sense.
journey. What they're going to go in the evening, they go to the fair games. Now we're gonna meet at the circus over there at the evening.
So do you think that this is who this guy?
The clown.
The
They
cl-
also have the circus here.
Really?
Yes. They talk about the fair. This is the fair, not a
Mm.
circus.
All right. Next one.
What's the mom who gonna meet mom and Shelly in the evening? They talk about an aunt, right?
Hmm.
But his uncle can't go, so
Mhm.
they pick grandpa instead.
Okay.
So
Okay. You want to try it again? Listen again. To finalize.
Where are they going to go first?
Where are we going to go?
Well, your sister wants me to get something from her school for
Your sister wanted me to go to school to take something for her, right?
her, but I think we should go to the bank first.
But I think we should go to the bank first.
Then are we going to go shopping?
Then are we going to go to the shopping?
Yes, I need some things from the market.
Because if we had no money left when
We
there's
cannot buy
nothing-
anything, right?
Yes, but we need to go to the bank first. So that's the good choice.
All right. Next.
2. What is Mum going to buy?
Wait. Let me
Are
pause
you
a little
going?
bit. They said they want to buy strawberries, right?
Mm.
But they can't buy strawberries because we have many at home.
Is it?
That is
You don't use the word like they can't because they don't need to buy because it's
They
already
don't-
in the fridge.
they don't need in the buy. They already have in the fridge. So take this away.
Yeah. So
She
we
said
eliminate this one.
she said she gonna buy the flour
Yes.
and she gonna make cookies next for us.
That's right.
So we're gonna because she made
Yeah.
after this.
Yeah, after this one is what she needed. She needed this one to create to make
Cookie.
this one. Okay. Okay, so this one is correct.
To buy some more delicious strawberry at the pizza restaurant for lunch?
I think that's too expensive.
Too expensive.
So I'm making these sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
We
Okay.
can eat them in the park.
You can eat them in the
Oh.
park.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Not happy. Not
Don't
happy.
worry.
No worry.
I've got some chocolate cakes.
Chocolate cakes.
You can eat them on the journey if you're hungry.
Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
But the journey
You're fantastic.
you need to eat this one.
Yeah.
You need to eat some lunch after you have desserts.
That's right. This is.
But cupcakes is a dessert, right?
Yes.
So you need to eat this one and then eat this one.
That's correct. This is for lunch. This is for dessert. Okay, next one.
For lunch, this is for the journey.
Where are they going to go in the evening?
What time are we going to come home?
Well, I've got another surprise for you.
I'm not surprised for you.
We're going to go somewhere special in the evening.
What? To the movie theater?
The movie to you?
No.
No. Eliminate
This
it.
is outside.
Outside.
There's
It's
a
outside.
fun
Outside.
fair in town.
Oh!
So we can go to
The
that.
fair, you have many things to do. Like you're gonna make the circus. You can play every mini games you want, and then you can explore everything. but it's in the evening, not at the day and night or at the circus. So it should be the fair game.
So this is the only circus, right?
But
You have
they
okay.
said she gonna explore many circus.
That's right. So this is the only option. But this is fair. It's fair event. So it's many option.
So they went the fair last year. So gonna meet that circus now because
Right.
you meet the old clown, not the new clown.
Like when we went to the circus last year?
That's right.
That's right.
That's right. Okay,
That's
last one.
right.
5. Who is going to meet Mum and Charlie in the evening?
Are we going to go there alone?
No,
No.
we're going to meet your Aunt Vicky.
And Vicky.
And Uncle Peter?
He can't come,
Vicky can
Got.
come.
but Grandpa can.
Got.
That sounds like a cool day out, Mom.
Okay, that's right.
Shaitan.
You're done. So, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've finished the 4 parts of today's listening test for Flyers.
Go out, Flyers.
Okay, let's move to the next one. Now, Richie, do the intro for the A+.
Ladies and gentlemen, so we're gonna do is math test.
All right, let's do this.
If this one is the fifth part in thinking in groups. If each circle, they have 200 circles here, they have questions here. They have each answer 4 questions. If each circle has a nickel, how much are all the circles worth?
Mm-hmm.
Like how many are there in 1 nickel? So that 1 nickel is 5 cents. So 20, 200, right? And then 200 times 5 is 1,000, right? 1,000, I think, cents. Because we use cents, man.
Okay.
If each circle is a quarter, how much are the circles worth? 1 quarter is 25. 25 is like, if we test 250, should be like 20 is like 400, right?
Yeah.
And then a 50 is 450.
450, 450. Yeah, sure.
I don't think so.
You can use your notebook to like do the math.
Multiply it.
Yeah.
If you
Be
want-
careful.
If you want to learn something, then you need to like 20 times 5 and then 20 times 20.
So boys and girls, be careful. Whenever you do the test,
If you want,
math test, you have to be careful.
like
That's
if
what I
you
can
have
teach
20,
you.
20, 25, so you don't know the question, so you're gonna divide 25 is 20 and 5, right? So you know 20 is like 400, right?
Right.
And then we're gonna like 20 times 5 is 100.
Mm-hmm.
Then we plus it is 500.
Correct. That's a smart move.
My teacher teach me when it was like few many months ago when it start when it's before starts.
So what's her name? The
It's
teacher's name.
Gotuin. Like
Teacher
I think that is the first day went there and then learn some new things that just make like that.
All right.
If each circle has a $50, how many circles worth? $1.50 is 50 cents, right? 20 times 50, 200 times 50. First, you need to have 200 times 5 is 1,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it should be 10,000
Yeah, sure.
because you have 3 and 1. They add another the one. Like 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? And then another one is like 2,000. Is it true?
So let's think it is a more simple way.
Wait,
200.
I have an idea. When you have 2 times 5 is 10, you write 10, right? And then 2 plus 1 is 3 zeros.
Then you add 3 more 0 after 10. That's correct. That's exactly right.
That's smart move.
Smart move.
Once they have another challenge, like whoever wins get $10,000, but we're gonna. How many more circles are needed to exhaust 1,000 circles? Easy.
Okay.
1,000 minus 200 is 800.
Right?
Oh, this is the same. This is the same. How many sets of 100 circles are we needed to have 10,000 circles? I have 2 circles here. Is it 200, right? And then we're gonna need 200, like 2 100s. We need to say how many 100s of this to make 10,000. If you want to have 10,000, then 50 100s. Is it true?
What do you think? So let's see. How many sets of 100 circles I needed to have 10,000
Wait,
circles?
I have an idea. Once you have 10 100s, it's like 1,000, right? And then add another one, it's like 100s. Is it true? Then we minus that number.
Yeah.
Wait,
So you minus, just so divide it. To divide
6,
10,000
7, 8,
into
9, and then 10.
2.
We have 1,000, right? Then we keep adding to 10,000. It's like 100,000, like 100 100s, right? And we take this away because it's 200. Then
Yeah, it's
200,
like you group in, you put them into a small group.
So it should be 10,000 minus 200.
Minus or divided?
Maybe it's minus away, and maybe gonna divide it into 100s, right? If we want to know something, just minus this and then divided that number. Like 10,000 with 200 is like 9,800, right? And then we're gonna divide it into 100, and then we're gonna exactly is 98.
98.
Is this true? You need to divide that. How many numbers do you have? Is it 98 zeros? They said how many 100s to make the 10,000s. Is it true?
I think you make it wrong.
Why?
So this is simple, right? It's like how many sets of 100 circles?
You
So
need to-
100 circles, I needed to have 10,000 circles.
Is it 98 100 circles? 98. There are
I think we need like
what?
100 sets.
Why?
100 sets. Right?
100 says is 10,000, but we have 200 already.
Where? 200 where?
Each one is 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we want to take 10,000. We need to add 10,000, then minus this one.
1 minus this 1.
And then we divide it. I'm gonna write it anyways. Is it
Okay.
correct or not?
Yeah, let's see. You can check with your teachers about this. But I personally think it's 100 sets. But you say it's 98, whatever. You can check with your teacher. okay?
100 times 100 is 10,000, so always 98. Maybe it's also like 9.8
Okay, the
is
next
9.
one, please.
9.8 is 980, so it should be right. They said they're gonna do the 13 zeros here. They cover 13 zeros. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay. Move to the next one.
Cover in 13 of the circles. How many circles are not covered in? I think the minus 200 to minus 13. There's an easy way to do this. 7, 8, 187.
All right.
Tô màu thêm cái hình tròn sao. Cover enough circles so that 70 are not covered in. Oh, they talk about when you have 70,
Mhm.
200 minus 70 is 130, right? So you're gonna cover 130 circles and then write 130 here. So we're gonna keep until 131 until it gets 70. But this take a long time to do this. You're gonna cover all the 130 until it gets 70.
All right.
1, 2, 3. I think we need to add another few hours to do this. Maybe it's almost 4 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
I want to listen something.
So finish the homework.
I finish the homework, then we go to supermarket.
Sure.
But I want to listen before we're gonna go.
So how many homeworks left?
I think it's 1 and 2.
Why don't you do other things and I'll get back to the coloring later?
I want to do it fast, so I gonna do. No need to teach. Oh, fine, I'm gonna do it anyways.
This
One.
is more easier.
There's 2 to 3 fourths, 1 apple versus 1. Wait, why they have a door here? 1 apple versus 1 banana. 1 táo, 1 chuối. Thì là 2 quả đúng không? Is it 2 quả?
Yeah, sure.
Because they are fruits, right? So it should
Okay.
be quả.
Next.
Oh, I think it's fruits. I think it's fruits.
Alright.
Can you spell fruits?
F-R-U-I-T.
R-T?
I-T. Okay.
This one. 1/2. 1/2 plus 3 fourths equals 5. 1/2 versus 3 is like 5 fourths. Like 5 fourths. Like this is 2 fourths, right? And this is 3 fourths. It says 5 fourths.
2, 3, 5, 4. That's correct. Yeah.
3 apples versus 2 bananas. It's also the same, right? Daddy, I have a great dream in my life. Once we at a bus at evening, right? I saw a swimming pool. A lot of people are swimming in there. Once it turns out it was a beach. Like I saw
Really?
like a morning. When I saw like a morning, and then we up into a bus, and then I saw 2 sharks behind the bus.
So it's chasing the bus?
So then I found the games we're gonna play, and then you play with Fuheng, right?
Really? What kind of games I was playing with?
Like the
Mia?
car crashing,
Oh, wow.
But there's nothing. We're gonna play whatever we want because we can open that. We don't need to open.
Alright.
2, 10, 4 nickels, 20s. It should be 60 dams, right? Because it's 10 cents. 2 and 20 for 60 dams.
Yeah, you decided what was
Nickels, 2 fours, like 8 nickels. Because this is like 2 nickels and the 4 nickels. Wait,
2, 4.
this is 4, right? And this is 4. Is this 8 nickels?
Mm-hmm.
Because one nickel is 5 cents.
Okay.
Then is it true? 10 plus 20 equals 6 what? And then you see 6 fives? Because 20 to 30, like 6 5, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is-
6 times 5, right?
6 times 5.
So you just consider cross
6
cross
times 5.
size. The times multiply.
6 times 5. Okay, so 6. I think it times 5.
Yeah, X. That's correct.
200 was 40, 240, 24. 24 tenths, right?
Correct. It's easy. Next.
37 plus 70 equals 1,000 what? 100 what? 100 tenths, right?
Yeah, correct.
Equals tenths equal 10 100ths. Just an easy boy.
Yeah, the next one.
What is the domination of the fraction beside? I think it's 4, right? Just that easy. Shade 1/4 at the top here.
Okay, done. Next.
I get. Okay, then add another 2/4 because we adding numbers.
3/4. 3/4.
Then what about 5 6 plus 1 6? What do you have?
So 1.
Like 6 6, right?
6 6 like 1.
It is equals to 1.
That's
Then there are
equals
4,
to-
right?
Yeah.
And then we have, I think we have 3, right? 1 fourth versus 2 fourths is 3. 1 is 2 is 3. They also have another question here, but it's now gone.
All right.
I think we're gonna back to the color simulation. I want to listen something before it starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I found this one. I already had 10, right? 20,
All right.
24, 25, 26, 27. And I color one fast. 58, 30, okay.
So
40, 40,
40.
50. I'm gonna color this one fast. I'm gonna color this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's like 80 now, right? Because it's only have this one left. 1, 2,
100.
6, 7, 8. The last one. Woo, the 9. And we're gonna add the 31 because only
So
70.
it's 3 line, right?
Because they
3
have
columns.
tô màu thêm các hình tròn sau cho còn lại đúng 70 hình tròn chưa tô màu. Hỏi em đã tô màu bao nhiêu hình tròn? It's just that easy. Like you're gonna draw how many a day? We're gonna knew it. It was 200 minus like 70, right? And then it's
Yeah.
130. So we're gonna draw 130 things here. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Okay, done. Oh, there's one blank here. Finish.
18.
Okay, we've done like 130, right?
Okay, they also have this one. Tô một nửa số hình tròn còn lại, hả? Còn lại bao nhiêu hình tròn chưa tô?
Oh, that's easy. So how many?
Half of this 71.
Okay.
Oh no. It should be 50. Should be the half of this one. Tô màu. Color in half of the circles that not colored in. Ah,
So
I knew it.
Before.
when they talk about you're gonna color
The
in
remaining,
half.
right? Yeah,
The
yeah.
remaining one.
Remaining.
I know it was 35, right? So it should be 35 too. 2, 3. I almost done. Near my waist. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Okay, done.
Now 35. That's the last
This is a
end.
half of 17, right? Okay.
Ooh.
Congratulations.
Now we can listen some music.
Let's do this. You need to use a laptop.
Don't need laptop.
Okay. Let's show that.
Reacting some videos.
Okay, let's do video react.
No reaction.
So guys, Richie has finished his math homework.
This video is so
A
long,
plus
guys.
already done. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.
Guys, I have this one. Don Gotham versus Gotham Chess. My mom disappeared when the king is surrounded. Smile HD. Real flags with buildings. Real or fake? If your parachute falls.